September is on course to become the busiest month for the primary market in 14 years in terms of the number of public issues. Over 15 companies are expected to enter the market. Recently, Bazaar Style Retail and Gala Precision Engineering successfully raised funds through IPOs. Companies such as Bajaj Housing, Sri Tirupati Balaji, and Cross, among others, have also announced their plans to follow suit. Now, as per bankers, companies like Niva Bhupa, Northern Arc, Western Carriers, Afcons Infra, Diffusion Engineers, Garuda Constructions, and many more are also expected to launch their IPOs in the month of September. This surge can surpass the record set in September 2010 when 15 firms went public. Bankers attribute this activity to a strong investor demand, encouraging more companies to go public. Many companies are planning to launch their IPOs in the coming weeks, driven by strong demand for recent public issues and ample liquidity from both domestic and foreign institutional investors, said V. Jayasankar, Managing Director at Kotak Investment Banking. He also added that most of the recent IPOs have given good returns to the investors post-listing. FPIs have infused nearly 55,300 crore in the primary market, having sold shares worth Rs 2,700 crore in the secondary market in 2024 so far. The busiest months for IPOs recently included last September, when 14 companies raised Rs 11,893 crore. In August this year, 10 companies raised over Rs 17,000 crore, while 11 companies raised Rs 7,489 crore through IPOs in February. The 6,560 crore public issue of Bajaj Housing Finance is also set to open on September 9, with a price band of Rs 66 to Rs 70. The IPO consists of fresh equity sale worth Rs 3,560 crore and an OFS of Rs 3,000 crore. Now, most recent IPOs also saw good demand from investors too. The 168 crore IPO of Gala Precision was subscribed 201 times, while the 835 crore public issue of Bazaar Style Retail was booked 41 times. Earlier, the 601 crore issue of Ecos India Mobility and Hospitality was booked 64 times. The Indian corporate sector is optimistic about business prospects and is looking to expand capacity or pursue strategic acquisitions, said Ravi Sardana, an investment banker. Additionally, audited firms are valid for 6 months when launching a public issue. So many companies are likely to debut their IPOs before the end of this month with March audited numbers. Otherwise, they would need to re-audit financials and update the RHP, which could delay the IPO.